Guys, I am teaching you remote sensing in GIS. I'm standing in a particular point. This is x comma y. Okay, so these coordinates are called latitudes and longitudes, referring to the Earth. So this latitude and longitude is very much important for us to find where we are. So this is the background of remote sensing and GIS. So the coordinate system is very important. So I'll be teaching you the basics of remote sensing in GIS, as well as like how we map or check the distances, how do we calculate the coordinate geometry we have learned in our 10th, 11th and 12th classes, as well as in the engineering. The image transformation, the transformation x y to x dash y dash, why we have done this, all these transformations. So this transformation with an angular transformation at a particular angle, the trigonometry, the height, the distances, this all collaboratively will work with GIS. So hi, this is Pushpa. This is my new channel called Pushpa Techie on YouTube. I will be diving you all people through my experiences into remote sensing and GIS technology. This is a geoinformatics technology which I have learned. I have done my masters into this years of experience into this field. Basically, I started my career as a remote sensing analyst in a company called Anova Technologies in Visakhapatnam. So that's the beginning of my career. An opportunity is very much important for us to start a career, right? So that opportunity has changed my life. So I have learned in the classroom sessions how to trace the satellite images, and we couldn't find or figure out anytime like why we are doing this, because that's a part of the curriculum. I have done my master's MTech in environmental geoinformatics. Ours is the first batch of JNTU Hyderabad. So they have started EGI course along with environmental management. Me, basically chemical engineer, finished my graduation in chemical engineering in 2002 from GMR Institute of Technology, Rajam, Andhra Pradesh. So a chemical engineer turned into an environmental geoinformatics. It's really surprising. Even I couldn't figure out how I came into this field. But the destiny is finally something different. We couldn't imagine like how we people will go into a different line. The market was dull when I come out after my graduation, so I was eager to join my masters. So and I have joined for environmental management in JNTU, Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. But due to the counseling given to me as well as my parents by Shri Dr. Anjit Reddy, our professor of geoinformatics, he was the HOD at the time. So he has counseled us, like he was telling, he told us like that's an emerging field. In few years like this field will be in expansion and you will be getting a lot of opportunities and people will be speaking about GIS, GPS technologies. So my father was basically very much interested, and he got the catch. So this is how I myself turned my journey of chemical engineering into geoinformatics. So it's an excellent field. Like if I can say like in India the opportunities are few, because in terms of the market the value of in remote sensing analyst in terms of money is not very high. But if you can find opportunities abroad, it's a wonderful field there. You can work as an analyst, developer also. So my core competencies into this is remote sensing. Remote sensing is a process of detecting and monitoring the physical characters of an area by measuring its reflected and emitted radiation at a distance. So reflected and emitted radiation, what is that? So the remote sensing, see, I am at a remote place and I am watching something through some device. So this is all the physics behind the remote sensing, the electromagnetic spectrum. So I'll be teaching you about the electromagnetic spectrum. We guys, as in schooling, we'll be learning about the spectrum, the sine wave, the reflectance, incidence. What are these rays? What is Snell's law? So this is the core behind the remote sensing. And the distance formula from x1 y1 to x2 y2. Why do we calculate distances? See, I'm walking along a path, and I'm at a position of x1 y1, and I go to x2 y2, and I want to find the distance. How will we do? We'll be having a formula, right? And that formula will be working as a background for GIS. This is how we calculate in a GPS. Like if you use Google Maps in your mobile or while you're traveling in a car, so you will be finding out the nearest distance, how that shortcut route is being told to you. So this is all GIS. So stay tuned to my channel. All the students, experts, have fun with me, and keep trying to learn and practice the sessions along with me. On later stage, you can just comment me, you can text me, and you can ask questions. Even I'll try to answer the questions. And if at any point, like if I'm not able to do it, I have a panel of experts, my mentors, my there are a lot of people who have helped me in this field to explore, so they're ready to answer for you. Thank you. Stay tuned. This Pushpa signing up.